Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week, we have new product announcements from Atlas O, MTH Trains, and Woodland Scenics. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas O has announced the upcoming production of a Wabash 6-car 70-foot passenger car set exclusively for Mr. Muffin's trains. The set will include a baggage, diner, observation, and 3 dome coaches, and will match Mr. Muffin's previously announced MTH Wabash Premier Alco PAs. The 6-car passenger set is sale priced at $659.95 and will operate on O42 and larger curves. The custom-run Alco PAs, regularly priced at $539.95, are currently sale priced at $485.95, and they will operate on O31 curves. Delivery is expected in late 2024. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge Imperial ES44 diesel holiday train in Canadian Pacific colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in August 2024, with matching 50-foot double-door plugged boxcars to follow in October 2024. All items in the set will operate on O31 curves. The early order price for the ES44 AC diesel is $419.99, while the 4-car 50-foot double-door boxcar set is priced at $379.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale 4-car Coke Hopper set in Norfolk and Western blue colors for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft. The Coke Hopper set will be available for delivery beginning in June 2024. The pre-order price is $319.95. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 Rail King O-Gauge roadside stands in 3 different schemes late this fall. Each of these offerings is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in October 2024. The selections include Captain Joe's Crab Shack, Mr. Freeze snow cones, and a roadside stand with operating Christmas lights, all for $59.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge Imperial ES44 diesel in Louisville and Nashville CSX Heritage colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in August 2024. The early order price is $399.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge Imperial ES44 diesel in Monon CSX Heritage colors for Mr. Muffin's trains. These locomotives will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in August 2024. The early order price is $379.95. MTH Electric Trains will be producing an exclusive Cuyahoga Valley Scenic Railway Alco PA diesel exclusively for Stockyard Express. The locomotive will be available in very limited quantities and is expected to arrive in late 2024. The early order price is $389.95. Coming soon from Woodland Scenics is this pre-built kids' clubhouse structure. The shack can be placed in the backyard of a home, in the middle of the woods, or anywhere kids want a clubhouse. MSRP pricing has not yet been announced. This building will be available in N, HO, and O scales. Follow the link in the video description for more information. Also arriving soon from Woodland Scenics is this pre-built cozy cabin structure. The authentically weathered and hand-painted building is pre-lit and made for use with the Just Plug lighting system. This homey building features equally detailed interior and exterior features. The MSRP pricing has not yet been announced. Follow the link in the video description for more details. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And a programming note, from May through July 2024, we will be publishing our long-format videos every other Saturday to allow time to pursue outdoor activities and family time. Episode number 188 is scheduled for publishing on May 25th, 2024 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. What's New in O Gauge series will continue weekly publication every Tuesday at 9 a.m. to provide you with the new product information throughout the summer. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.